Hello, kiddos. Happy Monday. Welcome to another e-learning day. If we were in school this week, we were going to be doing Pete the Cat. So I thought all this week I would probably post Pete the Cat books. I have 3 here at home. So today we're going to do Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. I love Pete the Cat. He's one of our favorite, isn't he? Look at all these buttons. It goes from the biggest to the smallest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. See, there they are. One popped off, didn't it? Boing. All right. This book is written by Eric Litwin and art by James Dean. He's the creator of Pete the Cat. Oh, Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. 1, 2, 3, 4. And look, did you see that? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're round. And they're different colors. There's green, blue, green, and red. And his shirt is yellow, isn't it? He sang, my buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Should we count? 1, 2, 3. Can you pop? Ready? Say pop and roll away. Pop and roll away. There they went. 3. We were right, weren't we? 4 minus 1 equals 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept singing a song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Oh no! Pop! How many another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Let's count. Another one popped off. 1, 2. Are you ready to pop and roll? Ready? Say pop and roll. Pop and roll. It rolled away, didn't it? Uh-oh. How many buttons are left? 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. But he kept singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Oh, look. Pete is eating ice cream, isn't he? Oh, no. What happened? Pop! Oh, no. Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Ready to do our pop and roll? Pop and roll. Pop and roll. Pop and roll. Oh, poor Pete. Another button fell off. How many are left? 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no, because buttons come and buttons go. He kept singing a song. My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Oh, look what Pete's doing. He's at the ocean. He's going to go surfing in the ocean on the waves. Oh, no. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Are you ready to pop and roll? Pop and roll. Pop and roll. Pop and roll. Oh, how many buttons are left? 0. 0. None. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no, because buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his shirt, at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? What do you think he saw? So now his shirt is open, isn't it? There's no more buttons. Oh, his belly button. Oh, there's his belly button. And he kept singing his song. Can you find your belly button? He says it's all good. He's on a surfboard in the ocean. My button, I still have my belly button. My button, I still have my belly button. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. We keep on singing. Oh, here's his 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Buttons come and buttons go. There they go. They popping off and rolling away. Boing, pop. So this one is the biggest and that one is the smallest. Remember we talked about them? Big and little. Say bye, Pete. Can't get that last page. It's a page full of buttons. Look at all of those. They're all different colors. Here's red. See the red ones? Here's yellow, green, blue. So I love buttons. Do you guys? I have a whole tray full of buttons, of things that you can do with buttons. Let's see if I can bring it over here. Whoa. So maybe I'll turn it this way for now. Let's see if it goes. Will it? Okay, so I have a jar full of buttons. I have a bunch of buttons at my house. So maybe you can ask Mom and Dad. Look at all my buttons. Can you see them? Some are big and some are little. See, big and little. Big and little. Some are shiny. I have all different colors. I have green and black, red, yellow. You see all my buttons? Let's see here. What else do I have? Ooh, this one is bumpy. See all the little bumps on it? So at home you can take your buttons and you can sort them in an egg carton. You can sort them by color or by size, or you can count them like Pete did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I put 12 buttons in there. You can close it up. You can shake it. Okay, shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your buttons. Shake your buttons. So you can shake buttons. You can count them like I just did. You can sort them by color. So you can put all the blue ones in the same one, or all the shiny ones, or you can do big and little, You can sort all different ways with the buttons. You can also get containers and you can put buttons in. I think they sound cool when they bounce. When they bounce and they're ready, plop, plop, plop. Once again, we can shake them. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake my buttons. You can talk about the different colors when you put them in, or you can count them as you put them in. Here's pink and blue. Oh, and green. Here's a big button. Or we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count them in. You can put them in. And look, you can talk about it half. It is half full. And then you can pour them out. You can get a bin if you have like a bin and make a whole table of sensory buttons. Put them in and out. I also have different containers that I found. You could use gift bags. I found gift boxes. You can put buttons in. 1, 2, 3. Close it. And then you can count it. How many? 1, 2, 3. This one is a ring box, so you can even stick the buttons in the holder part. See? Put them in and then pull them out. Push them in and pull them out. Push them in and pull them out. I have a box with a flower on it. You can put the buttons in the box, the buttons go in the box. My buttons, my groovy buttons go in the box. Look, you can make a shaker. You can then open it and pour them out. Here's a little one I found. Does a big one fit in? No, it does not fit. Not. Look, can't fit. Oh, does this one fit? This one can fit in the little box. If you have pipe cleaners, or I have ribbon or yarn, whatever you have at your house, you can lace buttons. You can put them on. You can just kind of knot this down here at the bottom, or even put a big button at the bottom so it doesn't go, and then you guys can put buttons on. They go through, down, 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 down. Oh. Down, down, down. Look, I have 1, 2, 3. I put all black on, didn't I? Ooh, let's do this one. Should I put a pink button on? Oh, let's do pink. Push it down, 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 down. Should we do green? You can even do it with little holes. Push them down. Have buttons. You can do, like I said, ribbon. You can do it. Or I think the pipe cleaners are easier. But ribbon works. Maybe not this one. On this button. You have to have bigger buttonholes if you're going to do it with bigger ribbon. I've just finding out. And the yarn. So let's see here. This one goes through. You pinch it. There you go. Here's a yarn one that you can put through. And pull it through. Pull it through. So there's lots of different things that you can do. This is good fine motor. And you can talk about counting and coloring and all sorts of things with buttons. So that today was our lesson with Pete the Cat and the 4 groovy buttons. It's nice outside. You could even trace buttons on the sidewalk with sidewalk chalk. You could paint buttons. All right. Have fun with buttons. I miss you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.